Google has released new updates for Chrome on mobile and desktop, with a focus on improving search and making downloads easier. On mobile, the new updates include a trending searches category that appears when you start typing into the address bar. This category shows you the most popular searches on Google right now, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. The updates also increase the number of search suggestions that appear as you type, from 6 to 10. On desktop, the new updates simplify the download experience. Instead of the old download bar that appeared at the bottom of the screen, downloads now appear in a small icon in the top right corner of the browser. This icon shows you the progress of your downloads, and you can click on it to open the download manager. In addition to these new features, the Chrome updates also include a number of bug fixes and performance improvements. To update Chrome, simply open the browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then, select Help about Google Chrome. If there is an update available, Chrome will automatically download and install it. The new Chrome updates are available now for all users. To learn more, visit the Google Chrome website. Here are some additional details about the new features. Trending searches on mobile shows you the most popular searches on Google right now, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. More search suggestions on mobile means you're more likely to find what you're looking for with fewer keystrokes. Simplified desktop downloads make it easier to track the progress of your downloads and open them when they're finished. Bug fixes and performance improvements make Chrome even faster and more reliable. I hope this helps.